Hi everyone, I currently work as a school counselor, but recently I've decided to do a career switch, and I came across Salesforce that encouraged me to go ahead with this, and they also told me that I did not need any coding or software skills for this, and that's what motivated me to actually join the course. And I had somebody who already did the course, and they highly recommend her, and my experience also tells me that he is a good fit for me. His coaching is very straightforward, very structured, and once you listen to his lessons, you more or less get a lot of understanding of what the features are, what are the different topics, and how to use them. And even during the lesson itself, he gives you a lot of examples. So, if you're watching the video, like offline, you can still practice them and you still know how to do. His assignments are very helpful because they not only cover things that he teaches but also tries to help you do something on your own, so you're not just following blindly what he teaches you but also using your own logic, your own brain to work on these things. So I think he keeps it very structured, very straightforward, and a lot of times he gives you a lot of tips on what the current job situation is, how to use his Telegram app to get more tips on new features, and also to see if there's any internships or other people's experiences. Basically, he's trying to build like this community where you can talk to each other, find out how the things are in the real job market. He encourages you to be self-sufficient. He knows that in the real job market you can't always go and ask somebody for help, so he tries to encourage you to look and learn as much as you can by yourself, so you're not just uh, asking somebody or himself for help. So what you're doing is you're watching and rewatching and trying to solve things by yourself, which makes you more confident as well as self-sufficient. So overall, my impression is that this course really works if you put in the effort, and it really helps. Makes it so simple. He keeps it very, you know, concise and uncomplicated. If you are looking into joining a Salesforce program, this will be a good start. But that's my experience, and good luck to you guys.